YouTube. Hope everyone's well, having a great day, enjoying the weather. So today I'm going to cook a breakfast roll, and yeah, going to cook it in a pan, and I'm going to probably just toast the bread off in the air fryer. Okay, ingredients today: I've got cheese roll, I've got some bacon, I've got some eggs, I've got a new pan which I used yesterday and used it once this morning as well. So I'll chuck the eggs and bacon in that, and yeah, the bread in the oven. So just need to bring the pan up to temperature. That thing in the middle should disappear or go dark or something. But it seems to be doing that. Yeah, it's not really visible anymore, but look at that, a pan I can actually throw it into. A proper bit of sizzle. That's doing that. I'll just butter the bread. So I'm just cutting the bread. Just going to chuck some kerrygold on it and chuck it in the air fryer. Sorry, that nice. I love the smell of bacon. Look at that. Got the non-stick. Loads of sizzle. Oh, that bit there is. Right. What was I doing? I was doing something. There you go. I was buttering a roll. Yeah, in the air fryer. Because the eggs are rotating me, wouldn't they? That's a bad. Yeah. Bacon looks cooked. If I can get couple of eggs in there. Slide a bit. Away. There's one. There's two. Oh, split an egg. Turn that down a little bit. That's crisp. Four minutes maybe. Something like that. Might start at the bottom of that. That's moving. That's moving even better. It's not quite running, that is. That's the side of it. Right into the middle. Bacon that. Oh. Look at that, just how I like it, that is. Cooked. Within an inch of its life. No. What?
Someone is at the front door bell.
Brilliant. Thanks for that, somebody. So back to that. I'll just flip the egg there. And it's done. So I'm sure I'll get this cooking thing down to a T one of these days with a new pan. Probably should try it, but it's easier just winging it, isn't it? Still a bit of runniness in there, maybe. No, that's cooked. But if you want to see a runny egg, there's one on shorts, because I've just uploaded it a minute ago. So a bit of that. And a bit of that. So egg's not overly cooked. but cooked. Right, everyone, here's today's breakfast roll. Couple of eggs, couple of bits of bacon, cooked in the pan and the air fryer with the rolls. So enjoy your day and I'll catch you all later. Thank you, bye bye.